In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI features in Photoshop 2026 to create, edit, and completely transform your images in seconds. Whether you want to add objects, remove distractions, extend backgrounds, or even generate brand new images from scratch, Photoshop's AI tools make it incredibly easy. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop 2026 and load the image you want to work with. Once your image is open, select the area you want to modify using any selection tool like the lasso tool or the marquee tool. This step is important because Photoshop's generative AI works based on your selection. After making your selection, you'll see a floating toolbar appear. Click on Generative Fill. Now you have two options. You can either leave the prompt box empty and let Photoshop automatically fill or extend the area based on surrounding content, or you can type a prompt describing what you want to generate. For example, you could type something like add a mountain landscape or place a modern sofa, then click Generate. Photoshop will process your request and give you multiple variations to choose from. You can cycle through these options in the Properties panel and pick the one that looks best. If you're not satisfied, just click Generate again to get new results. Now let's look at removing objects. Simply select the unwanted object, click Generative Fill, leave the prompt blank, and hit Generate. Photoshop will intelligently remove the object and fill the space naturally. It's much faster and cleaner than traditional methods. Another powerful feature is Generative Expand. If you want to extend your image, just use the crop tool and drag the canvas outward. Then click Generate and Photoshop will automatically create new content that matches your image seamlessly. This is perfect for resizing images for different platforms or creating wider compositions. You can also use the text-to-image feature by going to the Generate Image option. Here, you can type a full prompt and create completely new visuals from scratch right inside Photoshop. This is great for concept art, thumbnails, or creative projects. One important tip is to always work on a duplicate layer so you can keep your original image safe. Also, experiment with different prompts because small wording changes can give very different results. And that's it. You now know how to use generative AI features in Photoshop 2026 to edit faster and create amazing visuals with ease. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.